Education is the ability to listen to almost anything without losing your temper or your self confidence. Welcome to the 251st episode of Sanskriti Samachar Darpan. Greetings to all our dear viewers. With great joy and enthusiasm, we bring to you the latest edition of Sanskriti Samachar Darpan, where we celebrate the vibrant movements, achievements, and happenings of our beloved Sanskriti family. This bulletin is a reflection of the hard work, dedication, and creativity that thrives within our school community. Let's embark on this journey of knowledge, inspiration, and togetherness. Stay tuned and let's unfold the beautiful stories that make our Sanskriti shine brighter each day.
A staff meeting was held this week where teachers were trained through engaging and fun-filled activities. The session focused on enhancing student support and reinforcing discipline, while also promoting teamwork and creative approaches in daily school practices. Such interactive training ensures a more vibrant and effective learning environment for all.
A pre-CBA first parent meeting will be held on 12th July to share important information regarding the upcoming assessment. Parents are encouraged to attend and stay informed about their ward's academic progress. The meeting aims to improve collaboration between parents and teachers for better student support.
Balvatika celebrated one Mahotsav, the festival of trees, from July 1st to 7th with great enthusiasm. Children planted saplings and enjoyed songs, stories, and slogans on nature. Teachers shared that the festival was started in 1950 by Shriti Munshi to promote tree planting and love for nature. The event encouraged young minds to take care of the environment.
This week at Balvatika, Doctors' Day was celebrated with a special initiative, a free health checkup camp for our little learners and staff. Esteemed guest doctors, Dr. Megha and Dr. Nikita, conducted the camp promoting awareness about health and hygiene among children. The event offered valuable health, insight, and care in a joyful environment. We extend heartfelt thanks to our guest doctor for their time and dedication.
On July 6, 2025, Sanskriti School hosted the STEM DLE event on the theme Hybrid Learning. The event was marked by the presentation of a research paper by our teachers, focusing on innovative methods to integrate digital tools with traditional teaching practices. It served as a platform for professional dialogue and knowledge sharing among educators, promoted forward-thinking approaches in education.
Sanskriti, an English medium school, is pleased to announce that admissions are currently ongoing for all classes. With a focus on providing quality education, the school offers experienced educators, cutting-edge digital learning and holistic growth opportunities.
The school is set to conduct competency-based assessment 1 starting from 21st July. Students are encouraged to revise systematically and approach their teacher for any academic support. The detailed timetable and syllabus have already been provided to students to prepare effectively and manage their time well.
As we come to the end of this week's bulletin, let us take a moment to express our gratitude. We thank Almighty for guiding us, our teachers for their wisdom, and our parents for their endless support. May we all continue to learn, grow, and spread kindness wherever we go. If you found this bulletin really helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel so more people get informed and connected. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and see you soon in the next video.